Hey guys, what's up? Arvin here. Now, this video is special. This video is requested by one of my subscriber, Mr. Ilog Macondo. Shout out sa'yo, brother. Okay? Now, this video is about finding out your YouTube channel account that you're using on your mobile phone so you can have it open on a different device like a laptop or desktop. To some of you, this may be an easy task, but to some, this is a little bit challenging. Now, I made this video for those person who is finding this a little bit challenging or who would like to open up their YouTube channel that they're using on their mobile phone so they can have it open on their laptop or desktop. Okay? So, if you're still interested, watch this video.
Okay, on your Android phone, let's open up YouTube, the YouTube application, and then on the top right hand corner, click on the your profile picture. Click on it. Okay, and there you will see the email address or the email account that you're using for your YouTube account or your YouTube channel on your Android phone. Another way to find out what is the account that you're using is by going to the settings. Okay, my Android phone has a different UI, so just try to look for your settings on your Android phone. Now in my case, this is my settings, and then look for the accounts and where is it? Accounts and backup. Click on it and then click on the accounts tab. Now, normally you will only see one email address on this part, and that will be the email address that you're using to access on your YouTube channel account. Okay, now in my case, this is the email address that I'm using. So there you have it. So now that you already know the account that you're using on your mobile phone, and the one that you're using to upload your YouTube videos. Now, we'll go to your desktop or your laptop. In this case, I am using a Mac operating system, but you can do the same process on Windows or Linux. Let's fire up our browser. I'm using Firefox in this case. Then let's open up YouTube. Okay, let's click on it. Now you will notice on the top right hand corner there is a small box that says sign in. It will be asking you to sign in using your Google or Gmail account, which is the same. What we're going to use here is the same exact Gmail account or the Gmail address that you're using on the mobile phone that you use to upload your video. Now, in my case, this is my Gmail account. May blur this part, but all of you already know my email address and hopefully not my super secret password. Now I'm going to click don't save here for now, but if you're using your own desktop or your own laptop, you can just click save, so it will be easier for you to open up your YouTube channel. No need to log in every time that you open it. But in this case, I'm going to don't save it, but you should practice this if you're going to open this on a different PC or desktop. Okay, now this is actually the main page of YouTube page, and if you would like to open up your YouTube channel, go again to the top right hand corner where you can see your profile picture. Then click your channel. Then go to the videos tab. Now on this part, you will be able to see all the videos that you have uploaded on YouTube. There you go. And this part is during the time that I'm really into radio, modifying a radio controlled toys.
So, there you have it. you will now be able to open your YouTube channel account, the one that you're using from your mobile phone. You can now open it on your laptop or your desktop if and only if you still remember your Gmail password. Okay. Now, I forgot to mention that this process is for Android users. Unfortunately, I don't have an iPhone that I can test or I can check on how to do it. But I do understand most of Apple users, they already know this. But in this case, and to you, Mr. Ilog Makundo, I do hope that this cleared things up to you. And I do hope that this video made it easier for you so that you can open your YouTube channel account now on your desktop or your laptop. Okay? Now, if those who are watching this video right now is not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I highly appreciate that. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And those who haven't subscribed yet, not like I mentioned earlier, just hit the subscribe button right there down at the bottom. Now, don't forget to share this video as well and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified on my next video. And if you notice, this is my personalized printed shirt. Okay, so see you in my next video.